Buying a shipping container can be a big deal, but it doesn't have to be. We have a straightforward 7-step guide to help you make the right decisions before you spend your money. Step 1. Buy or lease. You don't always need to buy a container. If you don't need too many containers, and you only need them for a specific time, like a one-way trip, it may be better to lease a container. Leasing offers more flexibility, but you would need to pay maintenance and storage fees. Leasing is cheaper in the short term, but not in the long term. If you need to store items long term, or you're not sure how long you'll need the containers for, buying makes more sense. Step 2. Choose container type. There are 10 main container types to choose from, so ask yourself, do I need a standard container or one that fulfills special requirements? If you're transporting dry goods, a standard container is a great option. They're less expensive and widely available. If you are transporting larger or specialized items like food, medicine, or irregularly shaped cargo, you need a specialized container. Step 3. Decide on container condition. While there's no universal grading system, many companies use the F, A, B, and C grades. F stands for food grade, which means the container is new and can be used to transport food. A means the container is new, refurbished, or lightly used. B means the container is used but cargo-worthy, or CW. C means the container is used, but still wind and watertight, or WWT. Step 4. Find container seller. There are many ways to do this. One obvious way is to look for container suppliers around a port, but you may pay for the convenience, and there's often a lack of transparency around deals and pricing. You could also use Container xChange, which offers a neutral platform of vetted partners around the world. You don't even need to leave your seat to communicate with sellers or leasers and negotiate terms. Step 5. Hire container surveyor. If you're leasing a container, you need a container surveyor. The surveyor will conduct an inspection to ensure the container is in the promised condition. Step 6. Negotiate price. Price depends on many factors, like container type, grading, and location. If you're looking for a container in a deficit port, you'll pay more. The average price for a used container is $1,500 to $5,000, while a new container can cost anything from $3,000 to $5,000. Step 7. Arrange container transport. Once you've bought a container, you need to figure out how to get it to the right place. You'll need to schedule transport via vessel, trucking, or rail. But think twice before shipping an empty container. You can offer your container as a one-way container, which means someone leases the container from you as a one-way trip. This way, they move cargo and your container gets moved to the right place. And you don't have to pay to do it. Ready to take the plunge? xChange can help you buy, sell, and lease containers in over 2,500 locations worldwide from vetted partners that you can deal with directly. Simply schedule a demo with our team to find out more.